Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to contact Brawl Stars support. So guys, in order for you to do this, is you just go to the Supercell ID support page. You can find this exact contact form page by searching contact form Brawl Stars on Google. And from here, guys, as you can see, the first one will pop up and just click on it and it will redirect you over here. And guys, you can also go to the support of the Supercell and I will be putting the link on the description. And from here, you will have various options that you can choose from to narrow down your questions and just simply select the specific questions that you like to have answered by Brawl Star support. And from here, when we go back to the contact form, you will have this option, contact us. It will redirect you to another tab. And guys, if you scroll down, you can choose here the category of your report and just provide your player tag and provide your email address down below. And this is where they will contact you and send you a message about your concern. And when you are done, just simply click on submit. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.